worthy of a final, but the result is the same as always. India downing Pakistan by 5 wickets. It went right down to the wire, but the result is the absolute same. Pakistan's batting and bowling floundering in key moments, while India kept its cool under testing situations, and the result is one for the ages. This is the first final that India and Pakistan have played in the 41-year history of the Asia Cup, and India have won the third consecutive match in this very tournament against Pakistan, the final by 5 wickets. The first one by 6 wickets, the second one by 7 wickets, and now the third match by 5 wickets. From 113 for 2, Pakistan was bundled out for just 146 inside their 20 overs. And then when the bowlers had India under pressure, they dropped catches or missed runouts, and Indian batsmen made the most of it. After 3 early wickets, Tilak Varma and Sanju Samson first stabilized the innings with a 50-run partnership, and then Varma and Shivam Dube got the big ones at just the right time to keep India well within the winning equation. The 50-run partnership suffering a hiccup when Dube was caught at long-off boundary, but Tilak saw the famous match through, etching his name in history books as well. Varma completing a deserving 50 for India after being 49 not out in the last match. Let me also go across to Vimal, who's joining us. I believe my colleague, I guess Vimal will be joining us. Vimal, famous win for India there. Pressure match, but India clearly the better team.
Yes, Shivani, you can just see just behind my back the kind of celebration now Dubai. And I assume the whole India will be celebrating like this. It's
Yes.
early Diwali for Indians who have been gifted by Indian cricket team, Suryakumar Yadav's boy. I think in recent memory, yes, India have won the World Cup in 2024. But this victory is so special, not only because it's a massive cricketing achievement, first time meeting Pakistan in Asia Cup final in 41 years. And then the kind of circumstances, the kind of gesture. I always believe action speaks louder than words. That is what Indian team has done. They did it in the first match. They won the game. Suryakumar Yadav, when he won the game, then he showed the gesture. Unlike Pakistanis, they were just throughout the tournament. They did not learn from their own mistake. They were getting carried away. Today, I think they first time they had put Indian team under pressure, tremendous pressure. But again, India you can imagine the way match changed. Someone like Kuldeep Yadav, he gave 23 runs in first two overs. And then his last 2 overs, 4 wickets for just 7 runs. You look at Varun Chakravarti, you look at someone like Akshar Patel. We are not even talking about Akshar Patel. He was the best bowler. 4 over 26 runs, 2 wickets. Jasprit Bumrah, people were talking about him, what he did with his gesture. So, Indian team not only played exceptional cricket, they knew their moment. Pakistan, despite, yes, you must say, this time Pakistan were competitive. They tried to show their intent, but as we have been saying, Pakistani team is skill-wise, experience-wise, temperamental-wise, they do not stand anywhere near. Yes, credit must be given. This was a competitive game because a lot of Pakistanis...
This time around, there were a lot more people who were glued to their screens, unlike what started off as far as the Asia Cup is concerned. Let's play some of those visuals that are coming in from across the country, people out on the streets and celebrating what is a famous win and a big victory for India. Let's also go across to my colleague Ananya, who's joining us. Ananya, where are you and what are the scenes around you?
Well, I am in Noida and you can see the kind of celebrations happening right now. People are dancing, people are celebrating. Let me try to speak to some people. How do you feel India कैसे? It's very good, man. मेरे को तो लगा था कि बहुत मुश्किल हो सकती है, but finally मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा ने अपनी लेगेसी को एक सेफ हाथ में छोड़ के गया है. Thank you all. You can see people are high on emotion. They are celebrating everybody is happy. India's victory is kind of a pre-Diwali celebration that India has now made it. In fact, not only it's the final of the Asia Cup, but also India-Pakistan rivalry reaching to its end after a nail-biting match, definitely for India and Pakistan. Now finally India has made it In fact, India has won the Asia Cup trophy.
The Dole Nagaras are out and Indians are celebrating. Ananya, I'll keep coming back to you. We're getting a lot of visuals. Let's keep those on our screens, even as our experts Atul Vasan and Piyush Chawla are joining us. Piyush, big famous victory. I'm sure a lot of Indians had their hearts in their throats for quite some time. Today was one of those matches. Everything that we hadn't quite seen from Team India, we saw. You know, we had a stupendous start from Pakistanis, although the middle over and the spinners brought it back. And then we lost 3 wickets early, something that hadn't happened to us. Exactly what we were discussing before the match today as well.
Even I had my heart in the mouth because the way Pakistani bowlers started, they're giving, first of all, bundling them out for 146. It looked like that it will be an easy chase with the kind of batting Indian team has got. But losing few wickets up front in the power play, then it becomes difficult. But again, the way Tilak Verma, Shivam Dube, they showed the character, even Sanju Samson, that it's an important partnership in between. I think the credit goes to everyone in that squad, the way they played their cricket, and they showed a lot of character at the right time.
Yes, Atul, this is one of those matches, you know, where it could have gone either way. But I think in the end, match-winning mindset, experience as far as crunch moments are concerned, that made the difference between the two sides once again.
Well, let me tell you, on the outset, I think this is the kind of match I was hoping for. Finally, Pakistani team turned up. And I think, you know, whatever comes in life easily is not really worth it. But whatever comes with really hard work is very satiating, very gratifying. So this victory. But Pakistan, you know, again, they found a way to snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. So full marks to India, but they made it difficult for us. And I think Comet the hour, Comet the man, I think Tilak Verma, we found a new star. We were just, since morning, everybody was talking about Abhishek. I knew it, you know. If you put too much focus on something, you actually, oversee other players also. And I think Pakistani tried a lot, but they committed harakiri. I mean, how can you just, just not even utilize the whole 20 overs? So I think they'll have to go back and, but they can actually go back and with their head held high, because they didn't capitulate. And I think this was the worth the Asia Cup that I was hoping for.
Yes, but there was still a daylight gap between the two teams. I'll tell you why I say that is because of those crunch moments that seemed to go India's way. Indians were able to keep their cool, and they should, because they are a champion T20 side, while Pakistanis they found themselves, under pressure, but also losing the plot a little bit at few times. Look at these visuals that are coming in. I think these are coming in from Dubai, dejected Pakistani fans going out of the stadium. But Indian fans would have had their money's worth as far as this match is concerned. And this is more than a match, isn't it? This was more than a match, Piyush. You saw a little bit of that pressure on everybody, because after winning the first 2 matches in this tournament, you couldn't really go down to Pakistan in the final.
Well, the kind of game we had today, as Atul mentioned, you really want to have this kind of a game, but eventually in the last, the way Indian team showed their character and they won the game. And at one point of time, it looked like that Pakistan is in the game. And in fact, they had their noses ahead of